Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today the title of this video is about WhatsApp, how you can use web WhatsApp to sending the document files or the photos through the without installing WhatsApp application on the Windows. So this is my web WhatsApp account, and I have already opened a chat of a friend of mine, and now I will show you how you can just simply send the text as well, and how you can send documents. So you can see that I have sent the text, and if you want to send documents or any picture or any important thing, you can just simply click on this document options. Okay, and then you can select the document which you want to send. Let's say we want to send this document. I will select the document, and you can also select multiple documents as well as multiple photos. Okay, so I have selected this document, and here if you want to write any message regarding this document, you can also write. Let's suppose we can write, check the attached document. So in this way you can add caption to your document or the file you are sending, and you can also add multiple files by clicking on this plus button, and you can attach more files. Okay, so after that you can just simply click on the send button, and it will start sending the document to that specific friend or with the help of this web WhatsApp feature. So that's all about how you can use web WhatsApp for sending document files, important document files, or to any of your important contacts. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.